Hi guys. Well, welcome back to our channel. Today, Hub and I wanted to just give you a little update of what's going on in our life. I'm sure you can tell from the title and from this picture. It's kind of self-explanatory. We are preparing to move, guys. And yes, I know it looks like a tornado has been in this home, but this is the result of going through things, packing, decluttering, seeing what we want to keep, what we want to get rid of. We've already started taking things down off the shelves and kind of just trying to, sort our way through all of this. Um, Hubby and I have decided a couple of months ago that, we were going to move. Um, Although we are thankful and grateful for this little apartment, it is a little too small for us to maneuver in and do the things we would like to do. And so we have been apartment hunting, and it has not been easy. There are so many things that we definitely know what we are looking for, and that's a lot to kind of get, for the price and for what we want and for our budget. So, yes, we are just trying to get this together, guys, packing, sorting, and still, living our everyday lives. So I'm going to show you some of the glimpse of us apartment hunting, and bear with us with the footage, please. Okay, so this is the sunroom over here. Okay. Yeah.
So new countersinks, new new counters, new sink, and new backsplash. And then this apartment has the new appliances. I don't know what the kind of appliances are using. They might be the white ones.
Okay. And I think, is this the one you told us that was $11.95?
Correct.
Okay.
This is the one that has the attached garage, and
That's this, not this one.
it's just this floor plan.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay. But it's not this unit.
No, it's not this unit.
Okay.
So ideally, with the one with the attached garage, you'll have a door right here, and it'll lead out to the garage.
I see. Okay. So guys, as I am looking at the footage for this apartment, it's a little, it's really nice as far as it has a linen closet, but you can see, to me, it's a little cramped, um, very dated, and the closets are just a little small. So she showed me a larger unit. So take a look at this.
So this is the larger floor plan, the 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay. Yeah, it is big.
Oh, you never started.
The master will probably be your favorite.
So as I was touring this apartment, I I love the wash and dryer area, the room, but there was just not enough cabinets in the kitchen. I love the, open floor plan and the split living quarters, like the guests on one side, the master on the other. Still, it was dated, and if I'm going to stay in a dated apartment, I can just stay in my old apartment. It was very dated, but I was looking for bigger closets, a little more cabinetry in the kitchen, and this is their model apartment. So you gotta be careful with model apartments because they put all they have into their model apartments, but it just was not what I was looking for.
Now let's stop it here. So, you got this little space.
Right.
Then I saw this apartment. I asked hubby to meet me at this address when you get off of work and bring your tape measure. The kitchen sold me. And so, guys, I would like to now show you the full empty apartment tour. What I like about the apartment, and see if I can show you, like I said, It's just a lot of nice finishing things here. The cabinetry is very nice. It does have a lot of natural light from the bedroom, which is right there. Lots and lots and lots of natural light in the bedroom. And yeah, it is just a nice big bathroom. And of course, off from the bathroom is the closet. And lots of room in this closet, which is very, very much needed. But yes, I'm just kind of giving you a full scope from the closet area to the bathroom. That's what we're seeing. And like I said, it is a very, very nice closet. So, just a little quick tour. This is what we've been up to, guys. We are getting ready to move. And I want to just show you quickly the apartment, why it is empty. Okay, this is the living area of the apartment here. All right. It has not been cleaned. The floors are still dusty. It is a new construction, so and no one has lived in it before, so it's basically still a little dusty. Here we have the kitchen area. Let's back up. And I think this is what sold me on the apartment the most, was the kitchen. The kitchen definitely sold me on this apartment. So yeah. Honey, you like?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Sir, yo, you closed my purse. I appreciate it. So yeah, we love the walk-in closet by the door, and yeah. So this is the second bedroom. You know, when I tell you the natural light, and it's just amazing, the light that is in this apartment. This is the second bedroom, and it's so quiet, guys. If I close this door here, I mean, it's like you hear nothing, no sound. It's very, very quiet, and you know, so I love it. And of course, in the bedroom, there's another door, and of course, this door leads to. Hold on, let me turn on so many light switches off, on. Okay, must be another light switch somewhere in here. So this is the guest bathroom, which also leads from the guest bedroom, but it also leads back into the hall. And I don't know if I showed you, I had a linen closet too. I have a nice linen closet here. Cabinetry, beautiful. And that is the sink. Hubby and I whistling. Yeah. So, where's the light here though? I gotta find the light. I thought one of these would be. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yes. And this is the bathroom. And this, can you believe the guest side has a tub? Look, that's fine. Hey, it's all my apartment. So I will be right on over here when I want to soak. And it's kind of good that it's away, you know. And well, I know a lot of people tell me you could take that extra bedroom and do a office, but I have family that come in town, and I want them to have a place to stay when they come here, so it would be a full-size bedroom. But yeah, and this is how it looks, and the bedroom is there. Oh yeah. So, just wanted to touch bases, let y'all know what hubby and I have been doing. We have actually been getting prepared to move. Our house is a mess, and we're trying to declutter and get ready to do that. So, yes, guys. So that is what we're doing. I am going to. Oh, let me turn off the light. No, we're gonna turn that light off. Okay. And so then we have this door that leads back into the kitchen area. Hey, handsome, what you doing? Yeah, so anyway, guys, that is what we're doing, and now we're here just measuring and stuff because we're definitely going to be getting rid of a lot of things. So we just want to make sure that, you know, we have the space for things that we are keeping. Anyway, anything you want to say to the people? Okay, guys, see y'all next